Hey guys, it's July 19th, Sunday, and my girlfriend's here. She's actually in the shower now. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna eat some oatmeal, and I just realized she likes her oatmeal more pastier, and I like mine a little watery, just because I don't like to have third-degree burns in my mouth. But anyway, so I think what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go up to the movies, see. I think there's a couple movies we wanted to see, so we'll probably see one of those. And then we also wanted to go down to the Del Mar. It's a couple blocks away from here. They have like an open market every week. You can buy food and like vegetables from local farmers and people like that. So we can plan our meals throughout the week that way. And then we're also going to go actual grocery shopping. So a lot of purchasing of food today. Good tip for whenever you go food shopping is eat before you go. Therefore, you're not doing a lot of impulse buying and buying a lot of crap that you don't need. Go to the list. If you go shopping with the list, it makes it a lot easier. You know what you need, and you don't end up buying a lot of crap. Well, anyway, let me know how you go shopping. Let me know what you're doing today, and I'll post a video later on. Let you know what's going on.